Hello students, welcome to online lectures of Mumbai International School and Junior College. This lecture is for class 4, subject English, topic common noun. Let's begin. Common noun. Students, there is a name for everything that we see around. We see many different things around us. When we look at anything around us, we know their names. There is a name for different people, places, animals, and things. For example, look at this. Who is he? What can you say looking at the picture? Yes, he is a pilot. See, we know the name. We know he is a pilot. What is this now? After looking at the picture, we now know this is a giraffe. What is this? This is a playground. What is this? This is a tomato. So children, when we look at the pictures, we know their names. There is a name for everything. The words we use to name them are called naming words. Naming words are also called nouns. Students, there are many different types of nouns, but we will stick to our today's topic, that is common noun. What is a common noun? Students, when we use same words, common words, for same kind of people, places, animals or things, then those words are called common nouns. Common nouns are the common names for people, places, animals or things of the same kind, same type. Let us understand this in detail. Students, there are different common nouns for different people, places, animals and things. Let us see name of persons, or you can say name of people. What is this? Boy. What is this? Boy. What is this? Boy. Children, they are all people of same kind, same type. They are all boy. We use the same word, common word, boy, for all of them. Boy is the common word for this type. Boy is the common noun. Let us see another example. What is this? Joker. What is this? Joker. What is this? Joker. Children, again, they are all people of same kind, same type. They are all joker. We use the same word, common word, joker, for all of them. Joker is the common word for this type. Joker is the common noun. Let us now understand about name of places. What is this? House. What is this? House. What is this? House. Children, they are all places of same kind, same type. They are all house. We use the same word, common word, house, for all of them. House is the common word for this type. House is the common noun. Let us see another example. What is this? School. What is this? School. What is this? School. Children, again, they are all places of same kind, same type. They are all school. We use the same word, common word, school, for all of them. School is the common word for this type. School is the common noun. Let us now understand about name of animals. What is this? Lion. What is this? Lion. What is this? Lion. Children, they are all animals of same kind, same type. They are all lion. We use the same word, common word, lion, for all of them. Lion is the common word for this type. Lion is the common noun. Let us see another example. What is this? Dog. What is this? Dog. What is this? Dog. Children, again, they are all animals of same kind, same type. They are all dog. We use the same word, common word, dog, for all of them. Dog is the common word for this type. Dog is the common noun. Let us now understand about name of things. What is this? Umbrella. What is this? Umbrella. What is this? Umbrella. Children, they are all things of same kind, same type. They are all umbrella. We use the same word, common word, umbrella, for all of them. Umbrella is the common word for this type. Umbrella is the common noun. Let us see another example. What is this? Balloon. What is this? Balloon. What is this? Balloon. Children, again, they are all things of same kind, same type. They are all balloon. We use the same word, common word, balloon, for all of them. Balloon is the common word for this type. Balloon is the common noun. Students, let us now do an exercise on common noun. Here, you all can see different words in the clouds. Children, they are all common nouns. These words are used commonly for the same type of persons, places, animals, and things. Now here, you will help me to put these common nouns in the correct columns. Let's start. Our first word is classroom. Students, think and tell me, what is a classroom? Is it a person, a place, an animal, or a thing? Yes, it is a place. So we will put classroom in the column of place. Our next word is bench. Students, what is a bench? Is it a person, a place, an animal, or a thing? Yes, it is a thing. So we will put bench in the column of thing. Our next word is sister. What is a sister? Yes, it is a person. So we will put sister in the column of person. Our next word is policeman. What is a policeman? Yes, it is also a person. So we will put policeman in the column of person. Our next word is soap. What is a soap? Yes, it is a thing. So we will put soap in the column of thing. Our next word is hospital. What is a hospital? Yes, it is a place. So we will put hospital in the column of place. Our next word is wolf. What is a wolf? Yes, it is an animal. So we will put wolf in the column of animal. Our next word is office. What is an office? Yes, it is a place. So we will put office in the column of place. Our next word is goat. What is a goat? Yes, it is an animal. So we will put goat in the column of animal. Our next word is snake. What is a snake? Yes, it is also an animal. So we will put snake in the column of animal. Our next word is chair. What is a chair? Yes, it is a thing. So we will put chair in the column of thing. And now our last word, teacher. What is a teacher? Yes, it is a person. So we will put teacher in the column of person. Students, this was all about your topic, common noun.